Elizabeth. Sandy, a whole range of protesters there behind you. Tell us what unfolded in court today. Has that case already gotten underway?
Yes, the trial began today. Many behind me supporting the pastor are very excited because we're expecting a judgment today. The advocate, Peter Doberman, for the pastor, brought an urgent application asking that all charges be struck off. He said that his client's rights were being abused as an accused. He said that the charge sheet was not detailed enough. He made examples saying that most of the charges are basically have no places where the actual offences happened. Also saying that there are no specific dates. Therefore, his client can't say if he had an alibi on certain days at certain times, and he can't say when these actual events happened and where, and say if there was witnesses who saw this. So he says his rights as an accused are being abused.
So, Sandy, so what is the state's response to what the defence is saying here?
The state is saying that the complainants are saying that they do not remember the exact dates because it happened over such a long period of time. It happened over years, and they can't remember specific dates. They were mostly locked up in a house. They kind of lost track of dates and times, and they were saying that they can't really specifically remember exact dates. The prosecution is saying that they have put the places, they have put the mission houses, names and given addresses of where each mission house is, but the complainants can't remember exactly when each incident happened. But the prosecution are saying that the pastor's rights are not being abused, as they have put places down, and they feel the case should continue. However, advocate Peter Doberman disagrees, saying that without dates, exact dates, his client can't come with an alibi or witnesses, so therefore his constitutional rights are being abused.
So, Sandy, you're expecting to hear an outcome in this case today?
Yes, we're expecting the judge. The judge says he needs time to sit down and think over this. He said that he will make a judgment at 3 o'clock. So we're going to find out if this trial is actually going to continue or if all the charges are going to be struck off the roll. The supporters behind me are very excited at the prospect that there may not be a trial after all, and that they may get their pastor back, who they affectionately call Daddy or Papa.
All right, well, thanks very much for that. Sandy McCowen is our reporter on that story, live to us there outside the court in Port Elizabeth. We are expecting a decision in that case, a pastor and two women facing a whole range of charges, including sexual exploitation, rape, human trafficking and racketeering.